Nice to see you again, Bertold. Delightful to have you back with the Center for Systemic Constellation and back onto our course program for 2023. So to all listeners of this really short video, Bertold and I will briefly be talking about the workshop he'll be running in February for us. And I've got a couple of questions for him. And we thought that that would be a really lovely introduction for you to get a feel for what Bertold has to offer and what solutions and support you might be able to get from those 2 2-hour sessions. By way of introduction, my name is Astrid Walker-Born and I work at the Center, and Bertold is one of the foremost trainers of constellation work, different forms of therapy and support. He's been working on that for 45 years, and it's, yeah, just wonderful to be in this space together again.
Hello, thank you. I'm happy that you are interested in this topic because you are looking, and I'm expecting the questions.
Yeah. So Bertold, my first question was very much around what actually inspired or moved you to offer a workshop around the topic of anxiety, fear, dealing with your fear and finding your strengths. What was the sort of trigger moment for you?
Yeah, basically it was 3 years ago when the virus started, when Corona came, and I could feel and I could see everywhere how this anxiety, this trembling is starting, this fear was coming up very much. And at that time, I wanted to give something and to do something to support. And I wrote a little book about fear in the times of Corona. And then I thought maybe during a half year, people will read it and then it will be gone. And then this war with Russia came up, and I could see the anxiety is not leaving us, it's staying with us. And I thought I learned so much about dealing with fear, and I can give something in a short way to the world, to you, if you are interested.
Well, thanks so much. That's really helpful. When we talk about fear and anxiety, do you actually use those terms almost synonymously, or are they different for you?
No, I use a synonymous. My God, I use it in the equal way. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And in terms of what, we know we've been talking about who this workshop is for, and we know it's pretty much for anyone with no respect for their background or their experience and therapeutic work. But what can people hope to expect, and who would you like to attract to join us for those trainings?
I would like to attract people who are feeling in this crisis we are facing, that they are afraid of that. I'm not talking to people who have this fears and special fears and are in therapy and so on. I'm just for this general fear which is spreading right now. And this fear is sometimes very much the body also. So it's a fear in a way. And I would like to support people who are anxious about the times, about the future right now.
Well, that's amazing. So we're talking about this sort of, yes, you mentioned the war between Ukraine and Russia, but it could be anything. It could be the fears arising from climate change. It could be the cost of living crises that I think a lot of Europe is in. We certainly experience it in an extreme way in the UK, but I think it's unfortunately not limited to a country in the middle of Brexit. So it is this level of the fear where we might feel quite powerless, right?
About the future, of the money, the energy, the war, the virus. So a lot is going on right now.
Wow, that's lovely. That's, I think, certainly something that resonates with me, and I'm sure with lots of people. So yeah, I think with that, we hope to have enticed a few people. I mean, is there anything else that you think might be helpful? We can share a link to your website and also some of the things you've been writing about the topic. Any other thoughts you might have that might help our potential, you know, students and people who want to join us that they can do in the meantime?
No, I just want to say that it's not about a special method, because what I learned in this last 45 years, I'm 75 now, and there I did learned so many methods in a way. And I was doing NLP, and I was working with a lot of resources. I was doing mental training just to support people and to get to their strength. And then I was seeing how constellation work are showing us the transgenerational roots of some fears also. And I did trauma work with Peter Levine, somatic experiencing, where you saw how the shocks are in our body. And when you are feeling a fear right now, it's something in your body. So we have to deal also with the body. So I tried in these two, will try in these two modules to deal with all different aspects. And I'm sure not all aspects are for everybody, but with 6 or 7 different aspects, I hope that I can support you. That you can relax more, that you can come more in peace, that you find more of your own strength. This is my goal.
That sounds amazing. And that's certainly what resonated with me, Bertold, is this sense that often we feel fear and anxiety in our body and we don't actually know what it is. You know, we have the physical symptom, but we might not consciously grasp some of the issues that have been, you know, that we got triggered by, and that actually, land on, you know, are felt in our body. So I love that aspect of not just analytically, but also working with our body and our emotions. Yeah. I'm really looking forward to it. It's in my diary. And so, yeah, I mean, with this, Bertold, I mean, I guess it's time to just wish you a really happy end of the year and a really relaxing and fear-free time. And let's see. And we'll see each other again at the very latest in February.
I'm looking forward. Okay, thank you.
All the very best. Thanks so much.